Ranieri Soverato used soon on test. Follow us. A new opportunity not to be missed. This Ranieri Soverato with a 40 horsepower Honda engine, used or rather almost new. But now let's take a look at the details. Let's start right away with some technical features. As mentioned before, it's a 40 horsepower engine, so you can drive it without a boating license. But let's get to why I said almost new. I repeat it because it's hard to believe. Less than 26 hours of use and only in fresh water. The engine is only 2 years old, so it has official Honda warranty until 2028. Basically, we're delivering an engine that's practically new. The boat is a few years older, of course, it's a 2005, but as you'll see, it's in excellent condition. This particular boat has always been stored outdoors, but out of the water. So the boat doesn't even have anti-fouling paint, and the hull is as clean as if it just came out of the factory. It's 5.45 meters long and 2.15 meters wide. You can obviously trailer it, put it on a trailer and tow it behind your car. You'll just need a trailer with a full load capacity of about 1,000 kilograms. So even a slightly robust compact car, a minivan or a small SUV can easily take it along for your holidays. The console is well designed, clean, precise, with original Honda instrumentation and a fish finder. It has its own compass, so you never lose your course. All the necessary onboard instruments, including an acoustic signal, horn, navigation lights, and the horn. Everything you might need for navigation is right here on the console. Don't worry, even if you have a lot of kids or friends, children, don't worry. This boat can accommodate 7 people. Many boats have chosen to have a single aft seat, but here instead, so the aft seat also serves as the driver's seat, but on this boat we have 2 separate seats. 3 people can sit all the way at the back, 2 people at the helm. There's space for everyone and it's very comfortable. Plus there's a side passage to access the sea directly. Take a look. Wow. Look at this amazing bow sun deck, fully upholstered even on the sides. Obviously I'm dressed for winter, but just look at how much space there is on a boat that's only 5.45 meters long. Fantastic. Here it is, our 40 horsepower engine, which is not small at all. It's 40 horsepower, but a thoroughbred 998 cubic centimeters of displacement, an incredible amount of power for this setup with this hull. Okay, beautiful, beautiful boat, well made, almost new engine. Let's go test it out. So, disconnect the battery. Safety always comes first. Put it in gear, push the throttle down, and let's go have some fun. Follow us. Okay, beautiful, fast, well built. Let's see how many seconds it takes to get on plane. Neutral, forward gear engaged, engine straight, no one in front. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds to full plane, completely out of the water. Not bad at all. A factor that many people often don't take into proper consideration is the minimum planing speed or the cruising speed, which for these boats often coincide. It's the optimal balance between speed, engine RPM, and fuel consumption. We're cruising at 12 knots, the boat at 4,200 RPM. Well, it's a great pace for covering lots of miles at sea while keeping fuel consumption reasonable. Let's also see how fast it goes at full throttle. Here we go. Not bad at all, 28 knots. The rev limiter even kicks in because we've installed a short propeller to allow for carrying a lot of people. Today I'm alone on board, so it could easily reach 30 knots without any issues at all. I hope you enjoyed yet another test of a used boat for sale, ready for delivery here at Barcebelandi. All the commercial and technical information I mentioned during the video can be found both in the drop-down of this video and at the end, or also on the website barcebelandi.com. In the drop-down, you'll also find all our contact details to call us, come visit us, schedule an appointment, send us an email, in short, all the ways you can get in touch with us. From a wonderful day, even if not too summery, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.